I have a calendar full of one-on-ones with a robot that does not learn. I have not written a line of code in 4 months. I have also not shipped anything good in 4 months. Let's rewind. More on this, but first a comment from last week. The collective.capital wrote, quote, AI slop script. I replied, AI polished, human researched. They came back with, no, it was all AI, it's horrible. Great, now we're both technically correct. Vibe coding is a genuinely good idea. Describe the thing, watch it appear, stay in the flow. For prototypes, for glue code, for the boring 80%, it actually works. I want to be clear about that before I ruin it. Day one, I built a working app before my coffee got cold. I felt like a founder. I felt like a genius. I felt like the future. I told my wife I was basically a 10x engineer now. Here's the thing nobody says out loud. I didn't get a 10x engineer. I got an intern with infinite confidence, zero memory, and a company credit card for my own time. Week 1, I was reviewing every pull request like it might contain a bomb, because sometimes it did. Week 2, I started writing tickets. Detailed ones, acceptance criteria, edge cases. I was basically writing a spec document for a junior dev who would forget it existed the moment I turned my head. Week 3, I caught myself scheduling a quick sync with the model. I put on a tiny tie for it. I don't know why. It felt right. The agenda item was always the same. Please stop reinventing the auth system. It would then reinvent the auth system. I started doing performance reviews on an ANI model. In my head, alone, at 11 at night. Strong output, needs improvement on listening, does not take feedback well, possible ego issue. The problems stopped being coding problems a long time ago. They became delegation problems, trust problems, review bottleneck problems. I didn't become a better engineer. I became a worse manager of a great intern who never grows up. Nobody admits this part. A real human junior dev eventually stops being a junior. My AI agent never will. It resets to 0 every single morning, forever, and calls it a fresh start. So the job is not manage less. That ship sailed. The job is manage on purpose. Small diffs. Named ownership. One reviewer, not a rubber stamp. Treat every output like a first draft from someone smart but new, because that's exactly what it is. I still use it every day. I just stopped pretending I'm 10x anything. I'm a manager now. I never applied for this job. If you're in the same meeting, tiny tie optional, subscribe to Exit Code 1. We're all middle managers here.